It's very common in an Indian scenario, especially when patients visit us for infertility treatment, for the entire family to come along. It's like a picnic for everybody where the extended family, the parents, the sisters, everybody comes with the couple to offer some kind of a support. And when they are being counseled, they insist on being there, also mentioning the fact that the woman or the wife is extremely stressed, and which is why the cause of infertility could be getting worse. Now, it's a very important point to be discussed whether stress is causing infertility. Stress on its own does not cause infertility as such, but it worsens the case of infertility. Let me explain how. Stress releases hormones like cortisol or adrenaline, which interfere with the normal performance of reproductive hormones, which are follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, estrogen, progesterone. So they play a havoc on these hormones by interfering with their proper functioning. So stress is not causing direct infertility. By having stress, you don't stop ovulating, but by having stress and increasing the levels of cortisol and adrenaline in your body, indirectly you are causing an ovulation, which is no release of egg, or ovulatory disturbances, irregular periods, or hormonal imbalances wherein thyroid is involved, prolactin is involved. All these also can be affected by stress, only because stress has an indirect influence on your fertility. So it's good to know the fact that stress is not causing infertility, but by bringing down stress, you level out your hormones and can increase your chances of success at getting pregnant. Bring down your stress. How do you do that? You exercise, you get a hobby, maybe meditation or yoga or any activity that you enjoy doing and will bring down stress. It's very important to get medical counseling as well. Your fertility specialist, the entire team could give you a lot of support, and by meeting people who are also having the same problem, because when you go to a fertility clinic, you encounter a lot of people with lot worse issues and medical conditions which can help you tackle with your own issues. So it's always good to talk and speak and discuss with patients who are going through the same problem, who have had successes at fertility treatment, and this will elevate your mood and bring you back on track. So reducing stress will help you get pregnant faster by improving the conditions in your body. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to approach us. Thank you.